Alright, this is a quick video demonstration on how to modify your Never Pump backpack sprayer to be used as a water-fed delivery system. Now the first thing you're going to do when you get your Never Pump backpack sprayer is you're going to want to do the full charge. It's usually good to do that overnight, good 10-12 hours, and then set it all up like you would normally use a backpack sprayer. Attach the wand, the trigger, everything. Test it out, make sure everything's working good. You want to do that before you start doing any kind of modifications to the system. Once you've done that, you can just take the wand off, the sprayer wand and the trigger, and then you'll just be left with this little piece here. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to cut a few inches back, and this is where we're going to attach the modification kit. Now the reason why you want to cut a few inches back is because you may want to use that sprayer wand sometime down the road in the future, and in order to do that you would need this piece along with the trigger, and you could just probably buy a splicer, a little barb splicer, so you can connect that end of the hose up with this again. But we don't need this little bit right now, so you can, like I said, you can cut it off a few inches back, and then we'll be left with just a bare hose. And then we're going to be installing this modification kit. It's pretty simple, pretty straightforward. It's got a barb fitting. On the barb fitting side, that's where you would insert that into the hose. But first you're going to want to put the ring clamp on, because you're going to want to tighten that up after. So once this gets attached, you tighten up the ring clamp so it'll be from the hose to this ball valve, which you can use to control the flow of the water. Again, with using a backpack sprayer, you only got a little over 4 gallons of water in there, so you're going to want to turn down the flow. And then out here you've got your 8mm or 5/16, if you will, push fitting. That will hook up to your water-fed pole hose. So that's basically all you have to do. It'll pretty much look something like this when you're done. Like I said, you got the ball valve there to control the flow. If you have any other questions, you can always call us at the window cleaning store or shoot us an email. All right, bye for now.